The Amazon warehouse.
There's the Amazon warehouse.
That is crazy. I have
Amazon warehouse.
this close.
Between the hospital and the real estate.
That's literally.
Are we stuck? The elevator?
Like, sir, those doors could literally just go out sometimes too. The doors could literally get stuck sometimes too. But hopefully not, because it still has the LED indicator. It has the LED indicator. The Innovation Square. Up, it lit up. Now we're going up to the showroom in this big elevator. I don't know how many pounds of capacity there is in this thing. Click. Upper level. Just, there's a door hold button on here. Door closed. Yeah, the indicator died. That's. Here we go.
I'm so excited! And I picked
The elevator is a bit shaky.
I didn't have anything in mind to buy.
And the motor is now silent. It's shaking. I don't think we want to ride this thing. This elevator is shaky. It's the oil. Thought we were gonna get stuck. Wow, that's dangerous. How the cab. Yeah, it's kind of over leveled. You may not like access those types of cabinets.
Why did you have to make
don't
it
do
this
that.
tall?
This elevator literally, that one's not small, but you know. There is another elevator back there. We could ride. So that one shouldn't be as buggy as this main showroom elevator. Because this elevator, it's having problems to draw. But it's big. So big. But the problem is it's very dangerous. Watch. I don't think it's moving anymore. Alright. On the top, those are like the LED lights. The LED lights up there are just very, very festive. They're just amazing. They're very festive LED lights. We're going down. Now the display says 120. Hit the limit switch, so let's go back down. Whoa. Okay, it went back up for some reason. I don't know how that happened, but that was a bit of a hard jolt. Now we gotta go back down. Still going down. Let's go back up. Sorry about that, I hit the wrong one. Let's go back down to where it originally was at. Alright. This is very nice. To this one. That one kind of has an epic linear actuator motor. You can hear it's very epic. And leveled. Going down. Alright, let's basically go back up. Whoa! No, it's not working. It's not working anymore. I'm clicking the buttons and it's still not moving. I think it's dead. Come on, this is literally a display only. It cannot die. Maybe the power cord came loose. I just got in there and plugged in the power cord. Should be able to continue filling up. Perfect. Still not moving. Plugged in the power cord and it doesn't seem to move anymore. I don't think it's working. It's done. Wait, maybe I have it in now. Because it literally doesn't want to work. Yeah, it doesn't want to work anymore. I had it on, operating, but now it died. Oh, alarm. Alarm suddenly tripped. Yeah. These are amazing. I can't come through here right now.
That's got to be important.
It's an elevator too. Induction cookie. Induction cookie. Not working. I don't think this is working. I don't hear the motor moving. I turned this on and the motor is not moving. Well, look at this massive wardrobe. Oh my God, it's so big. Look at that lock up there. Watch. It is so big. See, kind of bounces back open. This one is a super big wardrobe. You can see clothing in there. It's very nice. Got locked. I love this. This really is amazing. These are nice. $1,000 something for this. This is insane glass. Look at this glass paneling before we close it up. Look at how comfortable it looks to be inside there. Not to be inside, but to put your camera inside there. This is nice. That literally looks like reflected glass. But I got some more. Ooh. Awesome. There's some H&M apparel over there. You could see. Handle 2-pack. Wow. That's nice. We can find more wardrobe. I like those sliding ones. So like dividers. They board up completely most of the room. Or some of it. Yeah, for the sake of safety, don't climb at any point on there. What, there's no biometrics on there?
Oh, give here. I don't know what.
There is probably. It's a PS3. Wow. PS3. It's nice. Doing something unholy. Kind of feels like. Alright. Go to M.
Are we going to there?
Yeah, we're going to M. This is nice.
I should call them and let them know.
That was harsh. We're gonna click you. See how down it is? It's an old Minnesota elevator. 10,000 pounds. This can hold 10,000 pounds. This is, wow, amazing. Epic fail. That was horrible. What? Oh, there. Oh, epic motor. Okay. That was smooth. Maybe take it back down. Oh, doors didn't open for a second. That was the worst disease ever. But now that we have called it, let's take a cab view of this elevator. It's so nice. Literally feels like it's been releveling all this time. That's such an amazing elevator, and this can hold up to 10,000 pounds. This is the emergency phone. Apparently it was vandalized. Or it's probably just crackled plastic. I'm gonna listen to the motor when we go up. It's the call cancel button. You only use that when you're in firefighter's mode. You have to insert a certain key, and then this is where the electrical plugs go. There's some 120 volt AC. Here we go. So nice. Such an amazing elevator. My dad's in the bathroom. My sister and my mom are downstairs. I took my sister down. So let's go down. Oh no! No!
I knew that was you.
Yeah, the elevator. Thank you very much for getting into this thing. It's a 10,000 pound elevator, so it's big. I mean, it's like a cursed elevator. But you know what's wrong with it? Yeah, the doors literally slam open, so watch. Uh-oh. Oh no, jeez. That was a malfunction. Yeah, it's over-leveled. Over-leveled a little bit. You cannot even tell that it's over-leveled. It literally is, so. There's another elevator back here. You could see it over there. Oh, look at that walk. I took that walk to Poland. Okay. Ride this elevator. Ride this one too. This elevator is very nice too. Here we go. The motor was silenced on this one, so you cannot hear it. Not really. Such a nice elevator. This is the emergency light. One of the panels are out. Whoa, shake the whole cab. Shook the whole cab. That's, wow. That's a very big elevator. Take a cab view of this one. This one is very nice. If you can see over there, you can probably see through the door. But you know. Yeah, and it just doesn't show M for a reason. Didn't even feel like it opened. Let's go up to U again. Watch. Oh, took a second to close. Kind of saw a bit through the doors. But if you try to open them, it will safety brake the elevator. So, don't try that. Shakes the whole cab. That's such an epic fail, but watch when I put door open. See? The elevator is very selfish. Inside the emergency phone, this is a 10,000 pound elevator too. Flashes when your call is answered. He's going down another cab here again. It's a very nice elevator, but cursed guest elevator. It's too large to be like that. Yeah. What it to you. It literally has this door disease. I mean, not a door disease, but the elevator. I'm gonna watch it close up. Oh my. Door stopped dead. That was nice. So, let's go back through here. That was such a nice ride. I don't know, that's right at elevators. But the elevator's big. These are ketchups, mustard seed, spirit, and vinegar. These alarms will sound, so please do not block these doors at any point. Because of these doors, at this point, these doors could literally be locked. Awesome.